As with any machine, wind turbines require maintenance to keep them running at optimal levels. The gearbox of a wind turbine must be checked every 6 months, and the oil in the gearbox must be changed every 2 years. Manual oil changes can be time-consuming, requiring 3 to 4 people and taking at least 1 work shift, leading to a loss of energy for electric power companies. But with the help of GlobeCore's CMM-G series units, oil changes in wind turbine gearboxes can be performed quickly and efficiently, with added ecological benefits. First up is the CMM-G gear oil changer. This mobile and compact unit can be transported on a trailer or in a container, and it weighs no more than 1/4 tons. The CMM-G is fully automated, with a controller that operates and monitors pumps, valves, sensors, gauges, filters, and flow meters. The unit is connected to an outside power supply and can drain used oil, flush the gearbox with flushing oil, and pump new oil in less than an hour. This reduces the amount of used oil that is released into the environment, contributing to the ecological efficiency of the CMM-G unit. Next up is the CMM-G gear oil changer. This versatile and efficient unit can handle mineral and synthetic oils, as well as gearboxes of any model. It has a capacity of 0.25 cubic meters per hour for draining waste oil and a capacity of 2 cubic meters per hour for pumping clean oil. The unit is mounted on a 2-axle trailer and is mobile, making it easy to transport to wind farms. The CMM-G unit's filtration system protects both the equipment pumps and the wind turbine gearbox from the destructive effect of solid particles. The unit is fully automated, with a touchscreen display that makes all work processes visible, and the control algorithm is intuitive for the operator. By reducing the amount of used oil that is released into the environment, the CMM-G gear oil changer also contributes to the ecological efficiency of the oil change process. Finally, we have the CMM-G Premium Class Wind Turbine Gear Oil Changer. This top-of-the-line unit handles all process operations associated with changing the oil in wind turbine gearboxes, including draining waste oil, flushing the gearbox with flushing oil, and pumping clean oil. The unit is equipped with separate hoses with lengths ranging from 40 meters to 230 meters, making it ideal for maintaining wind turbines at varying heights. The CMM-G Premium Class unit's mobility is also enhanced, mounted on a 2-axle trailer and secured near the wind turbine using adjustable supports. The unit's filtration system protects both the equipment pumps and the wind turbine gearbox from solid particles, and it is equipped with a heater that preheats the oil up to 65 degrees Celsius before feeding it into the gearbox. The CMM-G Premium Class Gear Oil Changer is fully automated, with an electrically driven drum that reels hoses quickly, and a servo-driven tap valve that turns on and off automatically, reducing manual labor input. The filling nozzle with a meter also ensures accurate oil measurement during the oil change process, making it ideal for operators in cold climate regions. By reducing the amount of used oil that is released into the environment and preheating the oil before feeding it into the gearbox, the CMM-G Premium Class unit contributes to the ecological efficiency of the oil change process. These ecological benefits extend beyond just the oil change process. By reducing the downtime of wind turbines, GlobeCore's CMM-G series of gear oil changers also contribute to the overall efficiency of the wind farm, allowing for more energy to be produced and less fossil fuels to be burned. This not only reduces greenhouse gas emissions and pollution but also helps to conserve our planet's natural resources. In conclusion, with GlobeCore's CMM-G series units, wind turbine operators can not only save time and money but also contribute to a cleaner, more sustainable future. For more information, please visit www.globecore.com.